What'd you say, Jer?
I said it looks pretty cool, the orange color on it actually. I like it.
I don't even know what color he chose.
It's like a... how would you describe it, Keith?
Chevy block.
Chevy block.
It's Chevy orange?
Chevy block orange?
A lot more Chevy orange.
Yeah, don't look too orange. Yeah, that's a bit.
Yeah, exactly.
Whoa! Whoa! Hold on. This week was extremely full. We probably had enough to talk about for 2 to 3 episodes, so I've made a list. Okay, so first on the list is our Ponderosa build. I'm gonna be going over the bench and the stool construction. Most of this footage is Guy showing it off. He's the guy that put it together. Christian built this bench, he designed it. Take a look. Okay, we're gonna check up on, we got Guy working on the van right now.
It's the fridge cabinet. It's about to go in.
Okay, here's our fridge cabinet. There's the man that designed it right there. Okay, so once Guy is done putting this together, it'll go right here, and then well, I'm looking for a fridge. I don't know where it is. It was out. Hey, where's that fridge at, Guy?
Right there.
Perfect.
Do you want it out?
There we go. I'll pull it out.
Yeah, get that fridge, by the way.
Okay, so once Guy is done assembling, the fridge cabinet just outside of the van there, this will be the fridge that's getting installed. So this is a Dometic CFX3 75 liter dual zone. Well, let's see what it looks like. Okay, here's the fridge. So it's a dual zone, one side's a freezer, one side's a fridge. What else can I say about this? I believe it has Wi-Fi capabilities, nice digital screen here, easy temperature controls, and I think this is more of a feature if you were to put it in your car. It's got a USB charger. Okay, so looking inside of this thing, huge space. Lots of space for activities. That'll be your freezer side. Okay, that's the fridge from Dometic.
I can put boxes on there.
There's a good chance you guys can't hear a thing. My apologies.
I can go from the outside of the bus, right?
But either way, we'll have to...
And use that here, because I'm pretty sure that fridge, even still, can come is away from this edge. So then you could just run and plug our cords in there and there, 12 volt and 110.
Okay.
And then you don't need a plate here, and then our
And then so in the next one, just make a note, I guess I'll make a note to ensure that
In the file, maybe just put
file.
Okay, so the guys are currently just laying out some plugs. With this being a spec model, this is the first install with this fridge here.
I don't give a shit.
Otherwise,
Just figuring out what we want it to look like for a clean plug install for the file next
and
time.
it's ready.
And cut out a hole for my.
Your 12 volt socket.
Yeah. Well, what we're sticking. Yeah. Well,
What are we doing? What are we doing? Like
Well, I think we might do the
Anderson plug?
Anderson plugs. I gotta go look at it though. I'll do that today. I'll look at what's needed for that because we were doing the cigarette lighters, but they stick out too far.
look at this, John.
Okay, Guy and John are currently testing fitment. Okay, so this houses the fridge, like I was telling you guys. This is a little cleat. That is gonna nest a table that will span here, and a stool will go right here. Is that stool made?
Yeah, he's probably going to get it right now. I don't know if he's going to get plastic or stool.
Okay, stool's made. I'm gonna go hunt it down.
It's up.
Mr. Stool. There it is. Okay, so this is a little footrest. Okay, so this is the little stool section that'll go right behind the passenger seat. This will create a table. It'll also nest up against the fridge to create kind of like a lounging bench. Well, that's all I got for right now. I guess I'll show you when it's installed next. Okay, that's the stool I had found. He's gonna do a little modeling right now.
There's gonna be a panel that goes across there, and it's gonna be formed into a bed.
Show us where that goes, I guess, if you want to make an extra long lounge here.
Right there.
Look at that thing. So, you want to pull this baby up again? Okay, so that will store right here. That's gonna be a stool. This turns around. So there's gonna be actually a table mounted bracket. This can be a little work area. Zoomed in. That'll be a little work area. This could turn into a bed with a tabletop. Or if you want an extra long lounger here, then we have these furniture cleats. And those pop onto there. Okay, second up, we've got our MAGPIE leak test. Okay, so the guys are going through MAGPIE. It's getting ready for spray foam, so last step before that is test all the penetrations. Things that will be getting tested are the rivets, the body seals, any roof penetrations, solar feet, anything going through the roof, it's getting checked today.
You might take noodles. Huh?
What are these?
They're water absorbers.
So Christian has laid down some Pig brand water absorbent snake. We don't have a drain in our shop yet, so this is how we do leak testing.
Wow, it's preventative water spread for our leak test.
So this is preventative water spread for leak tests. So the guys will be spraying this bus down. All roof penetrations, right?
Yeah.
They'll be testing all the roof penetrations, rivets, things like that, all before spray foam goes in. This is what traps our water.
Okay, well, you're good so far.
You just...
Don't step on
Ah!
Yeah, I know. Front triple marker.
How's it going so far?
Nothing
No leaks yet?
bad to report.
Thumbs up. Okay, so water test is being performed right now. No leaks yet, so that's good. So this happens before spray foam goes in. The guys are currently looking at all the roof penetration, so fans, AC, a couple vents. On top of that, we seal all of the rivets, all of the ribs, because we found that those tend to be dried out. And then we get a top coat sealant, which is our silicone paint. Okay, so if this passes, tomorrow we'll be getting insulation.
First of all,
How is it getting past that jerk rail though?
I don't really know.
Like
it must be,
like it's sending it through these it's through the windows.
but it's just not wet.
Some
This
sort of
isn't wet.
So I don't know where it's coming from then.
some sort of science.
Because the window sill is not wet.
Okay, well we gotta figure that out then.
Okay, Logan's checking. He's on leak on patrol. See anything? Or is she dry?
I don't know, it's wet back there. But I
wet?
don't know what it's coming from.
Whether it's splashing through.
Yeah, because it was
Through
only
the
at the
open window.
windows. But he said the outside's not wet, so.
It's coming where?
This is where it was leaking out of here. And I don't know.
It's not wet up here.
Yeah. So I don't know where it's coming from.
How much water's coming in? Quite a bit.
Okay, so we have one potential leak, but that's why we do this. They're gonna find that leak, seal it up, and spray foam will still happen tomorrow.
I'm just gonna grab a stool.
So what they're trying to determine is it just going through these open windows, or is there actually a leak that just has to be sealed up?
Oh, it has to be that.
Yeah, absolutely.
It has to be that. Yeah, there's no doubt about it.
Okay, so water is entering right there.
Where's it coming in? Nowhere. The window will, it's just because the open window is in the side of the
The
bus.
splash in the sill.
Okay,
Where is that coming from?
it just comes down and lands on that window.
Okay, so they found the leak. It is just the open window sill.
Logan, where are you? Okay, I'm here. Just spray. I found a leak.
It's hitting me in the face!
All right, let's check this. Stop. Oh, Logan.
You're the one with the hose!
That was a rib.
Good.
Okay, lastly, we have the HOBO bus. Number 3, we've got the HOBO new paint. We're gonna be showing off new paint job. It is Chevy orange, Chevy block orange. It is very bright, very nice color. I think it turned out great.
how do you like the color? I got it here. How do you like the color? I'm like, I love it. I said, I'm a Chevy guy, so I love it. He's like, yeah, I was going for something not so subtle, but it's. Oh no, I was going for something more subtle, but it's not so subtle. I'm like, man, it looks great. It said.
So he liked it.
I hope he likes it.
So Frankie just got off the phone with Aaron. That's the short tall bus. Oh yeah, the HOBO. This is the HOBO bus. Look at that color. What do we call that color?
What is that? Hey, go! What's that color? What would you describe?
454 orange.
What?
It's 454 orange, but I don't know what it actually is. That's what it looks like.
Okay, what we were going for is it's Chevy block.
Yep.
Yeah?
Basically, yeah.
That's the same color as my 75 454.
Okay, 454 Chevy orange. Well, we are wrapping up the week. It's Easter weekend. Frank, anything to share?
I do have something to share. Okay, I got this from Kung Fu Panda. It's a very nice quote. Yesterday is history. Today is a mystery. Oh no, shit.
Redo, complete redo.
How's it go again? I had it. Yesterday is history. Tomorrow is a mystery. And today is the present. No. Today's a gift, that's why they call it a present.
Take 3.
I don't like this expression. Take 3. Goes like this. It goes, yesterday is history. Tomorrow is a mystery. And today is a gift. That is why it is called the present. So have a good weekend and go hug some people.
Happy Easter, guys. Didn't have it recording, unfortunately.
Your half donut's still there, buddy.
Half a donut?
You got your fingers, everybody wants them. Might as well finish it now.
You guys want it?
Not after you touched it.